Hello everyone. Today we are going to read a new poem that is I Cannot Remember My Mother, written by Rabindranath Tagore. In this poem, he expresses the feeling of a child who has lost his mother when the child was very young. The poem is about the sensitive and intense feelings of a child when he tries to remember all the things that his mother used to do. But the memory of his mother is not very clear. So he said that I cannot remember my mother. इसमें रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर जी ने उस बच्चे की भावनाओं को दर्शाया है जो छोटे होते ही अपनी माँ को खो देता है। उससे याद नहीं होता कि उसकी माँ कैसे दिखती थी, वो क्या करती थी, उसकी क्या विशेषताएं थी। इसलिए वो कहता है कि मैं अपनी माँ को याद नहीं कर पा रहा। So let's read the poem. I cannot remember my mother. Only sometimes in the midst of my play, a tune seems to hover over my playthings. The tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. So the poet says that he cannot remember his mother clearly as he has a very blur image. Blur means dhundli image of his mother because he has lost his mother when he was very young. So when he plays with his toys, he feels a tune spread in the air. The tune is of the song that his mother, used to hum while rocking his cradle. Means he relates that tune with that song that his mother used to hum. Hum means gungunana when she used to rock his cradle. Rock means जो उसका झूला है उसे झुलाना झुलाते टाइम to make him sleep. So he feels that his mother is around him. I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early autumn morning the smell of the shiuli flowers floats in the air, the scent of the morning service in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. So poet once again said that he cannot remember his mother. But in the early autumn morning the poet smells the fragrance of shiuli flowers means night jasmine that are commonly found in Bengal. As Rabindranath Tagore was Bengali, so he might have taken the reference of these natural flower of Bengal in this poem. So fragrance of these flowers spread in the air. The scent of morning prayer in the temple comes to poet. So he feels the smell of his mother. Might be his mother used to wear these flowers in her hair or might use these flowers in the temple for the morning prayer. So everything around him he relates with his mother. I cannot remember my mother. Only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky, I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. So, here poet again starts with that he cannot remember his mother. When the poet stands near his bedroom window and look up in the sky, he feels that his mother is watching him from the sky. He feels that mother showering all her blessings lovingly. This comforts him and makes him feel protected. मतलब जब भी वे बच्चा अपने कमरे की खिड़की से आसमान की ओर देखता है तो उसे लगता है कि आसमान से उसकी माँ उसे देख रही है और उससे बहुत सारा आशीर्वाद और प्यार दे रही है। तो उससे ऐसा लगता है कि उसकी माँ हमेशा उसके आसपास ही रहती है। ये चीज़ उसे बहुत ही सुकून देती है और इससे वह अपनी माँ को अपने पास ही पाता है। So this was the poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. So I hope you understand this poem and you can relate that how a mother is very important in your life. Thank you.